Hi, welcome back to Ms Vadney Kitchen. As you know, I am sharing the YouTube channel along with my daughter. Today I'll be doing for you typical Sunday dinner. Rice and peas and Barbie Fried Chicken. So, I hope you enjoy it. I soak it from overnight and then I pressure it for about 5 minutes. And that is the pot for the rice and peas. Scallion and thyme to season up the pot. For the rice and peas, 1 pint of peas, 2 pack of Caribbean Dream coconut powder, and 2 pound of rice. This is the pot for to fry the chicken. And I'm going to throw enough oil. Cook a little and then I put in the rice. So now, Maggi. I'm going to put a little soy sauce. Mix up the seasoning into the flour. Then roll my chicken into the flour. And you lock the wing like this, but you don't have anything scatter all over. So now the pot is ready. It's ready to turn. You don't ready to turn as yet because you know you want the pretty color. So I'm waiting for it to get some more color. So that this piece there, all of them must have that color. See, all of them don't have the same color. So, this is the sauce for the chicken. This is the rice and peas pot. Let's start with white. I want it for it to soak properly. But now I ease off the cover for it to catch the color what I really want. You know, when you're eating it, you taste it sweet and sour. I do the sauce with some vinegar, ketchup, and a little lemon.
So how much vinegar, too much salt, too much lemon?
About half pint of vinegar. So, and just about 2 spoonfuls of lemon. So, when you're eating it now, you will taste it sweet and sour. So, this is how it looks after it's finished. The seasoning cook out, and I'm going to put in the rice now in the pot. So this is the rice. I'm going to turn down the fire now. I'm going to turn down the fire and leave it to take its time and simmer down. For it, the water not too much over the rice. When you turn it, the rice must stiff. If it's too slack, then you are going to get a sappy rice. So when you turn it now and the rice is stiff, you will get a shelly rice. This is the finished rice and peas, and I want it ready to share. This is for my daughter who don't eat chicken. So, break away. We as Jamaicans, sometimes when we cook on a Sunday, we don't only cook Sunday dinner alone. We cook Sunday, Monday, and sometimes even last Tuesday. So that is the finishing touch.